them in digging the hole that will, in the fullness of time, bury them politically. 10. As a country, we have traveled too far to walk backwards. Yet we have seen the spirited attempts by the president-elect to buy off leaders and whole political parties and conscript them into order. It is a familiar path that took Kenya into a one-party state, a situation that took long and painful years of struggle and sacrifice to reverse. Again, the choice is his, but Mr. Ruto must be made aware of two things: that he can buy individual leaders, but not the entire nation. And he can attempt to take Kenya back to a one-party state, but he will fail in the same way his mentors failed. Kenyans will not allow it. 11. It is upon William Ruto to ensure that this country that is presently split into nearly two halves can come together for the sake of the Republic and for the good of his presidency. So far, the sentiments being expressed by his closest associates inspire neither hope nor confidence. The choice again is his. Finally, 12. Going forward, and at any one given time, I, alongside like-minded MPs, including the Honorable Yair Okello here, even if we eventually remain a minority of one member, we will stand on principle and play the role that the people of Kenya have given us as a parliament. And that is providing a robust check on the executive. We will play that role faithfully, diligently, and without fear or favor. Thank you very much.